Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I want you guys to check out this beautiful short natural haircut that is so impressive. These are styles that are perfect for any hair texture. And one thing about this style is that it's one of the easiest way to make it edgy and interesting. So you can see how stunning the styles are, because if you really want to look stunning this season, you really need to rock this beautiful style, because we have exclusively selected beautiful styles for women that will make your hairstyle choice and salon communication much easier. So it's a flattering short natural hairstyle for women with fine hair, and if you're really looking for that perfect short hairstyle to make your fine hair appear fuller, here in Wendy Styles we've got you covered with expert haircut recommendations and styling tips. Can you see how the styles look so modern, and is a cut for women that are older and mature? And you can see how it really offers that much versatility and creativity. Take a good look on this so you can just review and pick the most flattering style that will match your individuality. This is an Insta wedding short haircut that is an excellent example of a hairstyle that really entitles a strong yet feminine image. So as one of the most low maintenance options, I will want you to please watch this video to the end. Subscribe if it's the first time here on this channel. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And you let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye for now.
Yeah.